Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Hugo Correa, and in this quick video I want to show you how we can do a self-watering planter. So what we have over here while I'm sketching is a container. In this case I'm going to use a 5-gallon bucket for compound that I'm going to divide in two areas. The first area that you're seeing over here is a 3-inch compartment where we're going to have the water reservoir. That water reservoir is going to have some little holes on the top of the 3 inches, so we have a little overflow just in case it rains a lot. You don't want to soak all the roots of the dirt that you have there. So we're going to have a little net cap on the bottom that is going to be kind of in contact with the water that we have in the reservoir. After that we're going to have peat moss, and after that we're going to have the soil. So the idea is that the peat moss will help us to absorb all the water and bring it to the roots on the top. This will help us to avoid watering all our plants, especially if we have it in pots, for about, instead of like watering for every other day, we can water it every week, or the plant will grow a little faster. So it's a really simple and really useful way of watering your plants, especially if you need to travel from time to time. If you have like plants like tomatoes or stuff like that, it's good to make like some sort of support cage on top of it. And in this case I'm going to plant some basil. So start with those holes about 3 inches from the bottom. This case are like 3/8 of an inch, so they will be your overflow. Now using the cap, the top of the lid, you want to go ahead and just cut around it. You can use a utility knife if you have the patience, or you can use a jigsaw like the one that I'm using over here. So the idea that our jigsaw will help us to cut around that section, and that will be the support for our reservoir. So we'll have like 3-inch water reservoir, and I'm using these little net caps to be able to absorb the water through like a funnel. So inside the net cap we're going to have wheat cloth, and we want to make sure that we push that peat moss into the net cap so it can be absorbed, just like when you have half of a piece of a paper towel inside a cup that will kind of drain all the cup because it is absorbent. So now that we have that, we're going to go ahead and put some supports. In this case I'm using some leftover PVC pipe that I have and cutting them in 3 inches, 4 of them, and that will help me to support our reservoir. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just kind of hot glue the 4 pieces of pipe into the bucket, so that way we can have some support, and that's pretty much it. So just to kind of help the water to drain when you're like irrigating your plants, I'm just drilling some holes, but in fact you don't need to do that stuff, because obviously through the net cap is going to drain down as well. So this is just a little kind of extra step that I did there, but you don't need to do that. So by putting the supports in areas that that are obviously completely opposite, you can actually have a nice support, and then the net cap will be in the middle. Now remember that we don't want all our peat moss or dirt to kind of fall inside the reservoir, so we want to put a little piece of wheat cloth inside the net cap, and also on our bottom, so that way the bottom can be just kind of filtered, and the water, clean water will go all the way in the bottom. So you just put peat moss. Make sure that you push the peat moss in the little net cap. If you don't have a net cap, you can actually use something else like a perforated cap or whatever it is. So that's pretty much it. You just put your dirt on top, and in this case again, because I'm planting some basil, the basil will kind of grow nice and strong. I'm going to do a little follow-up video just to show you how efficient this is. So I hope this video will help you. Really short, very simple, but it has all the information that you need. So thank you very much. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little notification bell over there, and see any of these videos that are around me. I'll see you soon.